So if you're thinking of getting this collection of Type-C 3.1 USB-C to USB-C adapters, then this is my honest opinion and my honest review. Now, I think the pack came with several. I'm just going to show you one. There's a few. I've had this now for, I think, a year or so, and there's a few things I like about this. The first one is that, as you can see, there is no wasted space. It is so minimalist, so small, and so sleek that you're not going to really notice it's even part of the setup. If you're getting this to extend a cable or to pass something through, you're basically not even going to notice it. It can be out in the open as part of your setup. You don't need to hide it. It's so tiny that you would barely even notice that it's not just part of the cable. The second thing is it's super reliable and no problems. It's high quality and great value. So there's no problems with the connection. It works perfectly, and yeah, no problems with that. One thing to be aware of is that it does have this white font, this white text on there, which, if you're going for a completely minimalist look and you don't want to see that, I guess you could cover it with some electrical tape, but it's not the end of the world. I quite like, I don't mind it too much, especially because it's so small. And yeah, so if you're looking for a Type-C to Type-C, like a female to female Type-C connection adapter, then I highly recommend this one, and I suggest that you check it out.